Welcome to aminacademy.com. In probability, let us discuss about a random variable. The random variable is the outcomes of an experiment are represented by a random variable and are in numerical values. Suppose, for example, you're rolling a die which gives a sample space as random variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose you're rolling a die, rolling a fair die, we get the outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, here the sample space as random variable have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because the die have 6 faces, each numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While tossing a coin, suppose our experiment is number of outcomes as head, so therefore the outcomes as head or as tail that is T. It can be represented as a random variable by assuming the random variable that is 0 to h or 0 to tail, which means 0 to h means first 0 means no head and h is getting head. Like here 0 to t means 0 is no tail and getting tail is t. In this sense, a random variable is a real valued function that maps the sample space into the real line. Here, suppose similarly you are tossing a 2 fair coin. Suppose tossing a 2 fair coin, therefore the sample space we can write as 2 head, tail head, head tail, 2 tail. Here, therefore the random variables for no head, therefore random variable for no head means that is we can write as x of tt. X of tt means both coin shows tail, which gives 0 head. 1 head we can represent as x of ht, that is equal to 1, and x of th, that is equal to 1. That means we are here getting 1 head, that is head and tail, or tail and head gives 1 here, and 2 heads and getting 2 head Therefore, the random variable we can write as HH, which is equal to. Therefore, we can see here X takes the values as 0, 1, 2, means 0 is no head, 1 is one head, 2 is two head. Therefore, the random variable is X of simple space equal 0, 1, 2. This represents a random variable of tossing two coins. Now, we'll discuss some types of random variable. Types of random variable. That first one, discrete random variable. Which means if a random variable takes only a finite or countable number of values, is called a discrete random variable. For example, number of heads obtained, number of obtained when two coins are tossed. Then two coins are tossed, then it represents the random variable X of S equal 0, 1, 2, which means if you toss your two coins together, we may get 0 heads, 1 head or 2 head. Is called a discrete random variable. Means it's a countable numbers it have. Next one, continuous random variable. Here, if a random variable takes on all values with a certain interval, which means, for example, the height and age and weight of individuals and the amount of rainfalls. For here, height, age and weight of an individuals, in kilogram. Suppose here we are getting a sample space of height, age and weight of an individuals. It won't be a whole number of 50 kilo, 51 kilo, like maybe it is a decimal place also possible. It is not an exact of a whole number. It may be in decimals also. So that height, age and weight is continuously varying individual to individual. So it is giving continuous random variable. Now amount of rainfall also, amount of rainfall in particular month to the particular town is also gives a continuous random variable. Now we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.